hello. So as you might notice, this looks a bit different than it would if I were playing a game. Because I'm not. This is another education video. Yeah. So this is kind of like a follow-up to the previous one, which was how to convert from a hex code, such as like hex 3veYe5t. There, it's a bit small. Let me fix that. Crap. Move the border. Can you make you a bit bigger? Nope, it's not. It's not. Okay. So you can convert from this using base 64 to an RGB value, such as what was it? It's like R. That'd be 38 is 8 plus 16, or yeah, 8 and then plus times 1 plus 2 times 16 times 16 is 2 times 7 plus 2 times 6 with 48. Let's say it's 56. So it's 56 in the red. Green's I think 125, and then blue 192. It was 98. I think it was 98. That's just from memory because I did this yesterday, just like for fun. Just like went through the conversion process for this specific hex code yesterday because I can. Crap, that's actually that's nice. I didn't know. This is a new thing. Because the thing I used last time, Jamboard, isn't a thing anymore. For some reason. Like, no idea why. Google canceled that from existing. But they did, so now I'm using this. Stop, please. Yeah, so yeah, there's arrows. Those are the same thing there, so. Yeah. Anyways, let me just like. Yeah, I'm gonna go to this. And now. You go away. Yeah, why do you. Okay. Okay, you. Select this. Move to layer. New layer. Let's just call it the Shadow Realm or something. Move that layer to the bottom. New layer. Now be on top. Let's move this around. So, layers. The default layer here. Select you. Okay. Move to layer Shadow Realm. Move that to the Shadow Realm. Perfect. Select you. Move to layer video layer. You. Move to layer. Okay. So now only edit the video layer. Nice. Now I'll just delete those. Nice. Okay, so now I shouldn't be able to really accidentally click that. Let me open there too. Shadow Realm. No, and then lock the layer. So I can't edit that video layer. Go to that. Nice. You can't. Okay, nice. Did that. So, yay. You got shifted, but didn't you? Good, go like that. That's good. Okay. Anyways, this one is just counting in different bases in general. It's related. So you have a number, about 8 digits long. We have a 1, 0, 0. So it's 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, right? 100,000, a million, 10 million. Wait, no. Grant. Okay, where's the... They're visible, but not, like, locked. Okay. Nice. Yeah, it's like that. Let's put a little subscript 2 there. That is way too... Why does it do that? Why can it not undo anymore? This is weird. I don't like it. Okay. Let's put a little subscript. Nope. I can't undo because reason. Nope, that's the highlighter. So is that? Subscript 2. Well, that'll be useful later. Because we're going to convert this. So, say you have... So, you're probably used to base 10. Because that's what most people use for stuff. Unless you're like a developer of... Why? Unless you're like a developer of something that uses, like... I'll just click on it and do it. Okay, that's not what the... Okay. Unless you're like someone who uses other bases frequently for like coding and stuff. So that's base 10. Or is it? 1, 0. Base B. That's not a B. That is a D. I am not good with mouse drawing. What's B? B is the one that's... Yeah, okay. That's a B. So you have 10 base B. That is equal to B. 10 base B equals B base 10. For the bases, we just default to base 10 because it's way less confusing that way. Because by definition, so you're using like base 3962. No idea why you're using base 3962. Don't ever use that. It's way too confusing. So that's how you write it in base 10. But in base 3962, that's 1, 0. And we'll get to the explanation in a second. Yes, I'm drawing with the mouse. Because, like, my sister has a drawing tablet, but I don't have it with me at the moment. She also probably wouldn't let me. So, those are the same thing. Oh, wow, that's nice. Okay, so, let me just put here, up near the top, our current B value. Let's start with a nice and simple, well, something close to 10. 12. 12 is a base pretty close to 10 and also not too clunky to use. I actually have made a series of symbols for a base 12 number system for a language I made at one point because, yes, I have made a couple conlangs. None of them are good. Because I really don't like doing the grammar part, which you need to do for it to be good. Anyways, base 12. So, for base 12, you have to have 12 symbols. So you have your 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, and more I could type these, just the text is annoying to deal with because I have to size it up every time. 7, 8, 9. Then what do you use? Because we also need a 10 and an 11. Because the base, in this case being 12, you have to have that same number of unique symbols, 0 through B. So 9. What do we use for 10? Well, I'm going to go with a... I'm going to go with a Z and then an X for 11. Because I feel like it. So those are equivalent to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you can go from digits up to, with 2 places up to 0, 0, to X, X. But that's not 11 and 11, or 11 tens and 11 ones. It's 11 12s and 11 ones. So let me just put in like 5 places here with 2 and twice, and label each of them with their value. How to do that? Crap. Get rid of that. Okay, that works. So this is our 10 to the power of 0 place, or 1. 10 to the power of 1 place, or 10. How long have I been doing this? 12 minutes, okay. 10 to the power of 2 place, or 100. I think I'm just going to do 3 places, because this is taking ages, because I'm drawing with a mouse. Then these ones are B to the power of 0, which by definition is the ones place, because anything to the power of 0 is 1. B to the power of 1's place, or the B place, because anything to the power of 1 is itself. Then our B to the power of 2, or B squared place. Let me just get rid of these. So let's go with, since B is currently 12, let me write just here, in base 10, 12 is written as 1, 2. 2 1s and 1 10. In base 12, it's written as 1. Crap. It's written as 1 0, because that would be 0 1s and 1 12. Because that's the 12's place, not the 10's place. So then say we wanted to write the maximum possible amount of information we can in here, which is 3 x's, because that's the highest value digit, equivalent to a base 10, 11. So that would be 11 1s, 11 12s, and 11 144s, which I'm going to go grab my phone, because I'm not doing that in my head, because I don't want to. It's a lot of numbers. So, 11 times 144 plus 11 times 12 plus 11 times 1, which is 11, which is equivalent to 1,727, which does require a extra place. Great. Or the thousands place in base 10, because that is 10 to the 3, or 1,000. So it's 1727. Ta-da! So now we can just get rid of all this. And now we can cover this up here. Let's move these. So base 2 only has 2 digits, 1 and 0. Bella, shut up! So it only has 2 digits, 1 and 0. It's also called binary. So let's label each of these. Are 2 to the 0 place, 1's place, 2 to the 1, 2, to the 2, 4, not 3. 2 to the 3 is 8. 2 to the 4 is equivalent to 4 to the 2. Interestingly. No, why am I drawing an 8? It's 16, not 18. 18 is 9 times 2. 16, then you have 32. Then you have 32 times 2 is 64. Or 1 Minecraft stack. Because yes, Minecraft uses base 64. 1 stack is 64 items. Which counts as base 64. And then that place is 128. So this is very simple. You can only have 1 of each. So if this were a 1, that's 1, 1. The maximum you can have is a bunch of 1s, which in this case would be 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32 plus 64 plus 128. Which I think adds up to 256 or 255. 1 star 256. Because yeah, if this one were a 2, that would be 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 4 is 8, plus 8 is 16, plus 16 is 32, plus 32 is 64, plus 64 is 128, plus 128 is 256. So that would be 256 if you had 2 2's places, but it's just a 1, so you subtract 1 for 255. So, and this is 8 digits in base 2, but that's also called 8 bits, or 1 byte of data. That's why a lot of stuff only goes up to 255, like your RGB values or your hex code values for each 2 digits is base 16. FF is base 16 of 255 in base 10. And actually, fun fact, half of a byte, 4 bits, is called a nibble. Like, I'm not joking. You can look it up. Or I can. Yeah. I'm just... Yeah. Oh, it's a bit... See? It's fun. Go back to this and recenter it and stuff. Yeah. Now you can also spell it the way I did, or spell it any other way. So that's interesting. This is just 128 because it's just the one there. But I actually am currently working on a conlang that has 3 number systems that it uses in different situations. A base 2, a base 16, and a base 64, which was very clunky. I had to write out 64 different unique symbols. It was somewhat painful on my wrist because I did it physically, like with paper and a pencil. I think I can take a picture of it with my phone and then upload it to the... Nah. But and the base 16 one is it's very nice. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Crap. 8, and then it's backwards now. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then not 16, but 0. I'll just split it off because that's 0. And this is 1 through 15. So yeah, it's a very nice counting system that I made. So that is pretty much it. That took 20 minutes, but I hope you learned something, and like, subscribe for more educational stuff in the future. Subscribe for more gaming content, because that's what I do most of the time. Yeah. Oh, that hex code that I gave you earlier, that 3veYe5t. That I don't actually have written down anywhere. It's just memorized. I have this memorized. This is equivalent to that. It was RGB. Like, 1 sec. 3 times 16 plus 8. And that's 4 times 16 plus. And plus, what's F? F is 15. No, it's 348F. So it's 348F. So that's plus 4. It's 52 in the with the red. That's weird. And then 4F is 4 times 16. Or sorry, it is 8 adds. It's 8F. 8 times 16 plus 15 is 143. And then that CC is, oh, let's see. F is 15. E 14. D 13. C is 12, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A, B, C. Yeah, it's 12. So that's 12 times 16 plus 12. Which is 204. Okay, my memory was a bit wrong on that. And those are both equivalent to, let me just, how do I change the color? How do I... I'm just gonna, like, make a box. Box. It's a box. Boom. Boom. Full opacity. Is it that color? I feel like that's a very similar color. Let's see. Oh. Okay, I remembered the actual hex code wrong. It is 384FCC in it. Yeah, it is 384FCC. So I did this wrong. It's 384FCC. It is what I wrote there. And then also, let me see. So let me like. Where's those? It's not that. It's something else in RGB. I don't feel like doing it right now. That there happens to be the exact background color of my channel logo. Yes, I have the hex code memorized. Okay. Bye. I should stop recording now.